I have two weeping yaupon holly foundation plants that are around 15 to 18 feet tall. I'm concerned about the roots. Both are within inches of the foundation. Should I be concerned about possible foundation and plumbing damage from these plants? The house is 24 years old. Thank you for your opinion. This is Doug from Hernando, Mississippi.
Yes.
So, Joellen, what do you think about those foundation plantings of those yaupon hollies there?
Yeah, the yaupon hollies are basically trees.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
so you're not supposed to plant a tree any closer than 4 feet from your foundation. And he's got it a little close. The fact that the tree has probably been there almost 24 years or at least 20 years out of that. It's time. Most landscapes last 15 to 20 years. So since it's so close to the foundation, I would recommend him removing those and starting over with something different there.
Okay.
And if it's going to be a tree eventually, make sure it's at least planted 4 feet from the foundation.
Right. So would you have to be concerned about the roots and the foundation? I mean, there's a lot of stories about that, myths about that.
Yeah, but you're just, that tree may not have roots that can do that kind of damage to the tree because it's not an aggressive root growing tree. You know, I don't see any surface roots growing around it, but I would still not want something that close to my foundation.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.